Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Okta SSO for insurance broker teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Okta SSO for insurance broker teams, start by logging into your Okta administrator account. Navigate to the admin dashboard from your Okta homepage. Select the Applications section on the menu. Click on Add Application to begin the setup process. In the search bar, type the name of the application you want to integrate with Okta. Once you find the application, click on it to open the configuration settings. Choose the Add button to start adding the application to your Okta instance. Proceed to the General Settings tab. Fill out the necessary information, such as the app name and app logo. Next, go to the Sign On tab within the application settings. Select the preferred sign-on method based on your application requirements. If using SAML, input the required details like single sign-on URL and audience URI. Save your changes in the sign-on settings. Next, move to the Assignments tab to manage user access. Click on Assign to add users or groups who should have access to this application. Choose the appropriate security group or individual users from the list. After assigning users, return to the Dashboard tab. Here, you can view the newly added app in your application list. Test the configuration by logging in as one of the assigned users. Confirm that the SSO process works smoothly and securely redirects users. If any issues arise, review the settings in both Okta and the application for any discrepancies. Once everything is confirmed to be working, communicate the new login process to your insurance broker teams. Monitor usage and gather feedback to ensure a seamless experience for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.